Hello out there, VBS world. Here's another craft that you could do for your VBS. This one's really cheap and it's a lot of fun. The kids really like it. It is called a non-Newtonian fluid. That's its proper name, but you can call it just a slime or whatever you want to call it. Just give it your own name. I think we call it gack around here. What you're going to need right now is some cornstarch. Cornstarch and water, that's really all you need. Okay? So what you're going to do with this is you're going to need 1/4 cup. This is usually what we give per one student or one kid. 1/4 cup of cornstarch, and then today I'm going to use about 1/8 cup of water. Okay? And all you're going to do is mix those together, and it's pretty magical what happens. Okay, if you want to make it smaller or bigger scale, usually what we do is we like to start out with 1/3, or for every 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water. Okay, but today I've mixed this up beforehand and redid this just to make sure this would work, and this is a pretty good mixture, so that's just a good place to start. So if you want to make it bigger, if you want to make a big tub of it, that's a good place to start, as 2/3 cornstarch, 1 part water. Alright, so how we're going to do this, let's bring this in a little bit. Just going to plop this down right here. Okay. And then we're just going to pour the water into it. Try to keep it all together. Alright, this is best to do in a bowl or in a cup, but I'm just doing it on a tray so we can see what's happening today. So kind of to bring all this back in. This will get a little bit messy. Okay. And again, when you're doing this, you may have to add a little bit of water, because every now and then it doesn't. Mixture gets a little bit different. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this in with my hands. Maybe speed this up a little bit. Looks like I'm going to need just a smidge more water, so I'm going to grab that. Alright, so here's a little bit more water. Again, this is not exact. Alright, yeah, that's working a lot better, a lot quicker. Just have the students or you beforehand mix this up really nice. And this craft's really fast, but the kids will play with it for a long time, and let me show you why. Okay, you take it, you can ball it up into a big ball. See right there. But once you let go of it, it turns back into a liquid, and it just falls right out of your hand. It's kind of slimy. Okay, and you can put it right out here. You can move it. The more pressure you put on it, the more solid like it becomes. See, I can ball it up right here. As long as I'm keeping pressure on it, it will stay as a ball, but as soon as I let go, it's back into a liquid. So it's just fun to play with. You can play around with it beforehand, and I promise you'll be playing with it for a while. It's pretty easy to clean off. All you need is just go wash your hands, and it comes off really quick. Alright? So thank you.